Hello and welcome to this quick walkthrough of the PipeBurst Pro platform for building managers. In this video, I'll guide you through the key features and functionalities of the site. Let's get started by navigating to new.ionleaks.com. This is the login page. If you're setting up your account for the first time, click on Forgot Password, enter your email address, and submit it. You'll receive an email containing a link to create your initial password. Since I already have an account, I'll log in now. This is the main landing page for the new PipeBurst Pro site. On the left side here, we have a list of historical alerts. So anything that we have configured in the system as an alert shows up here. Each alert entry includes the timestamp and alert category such as critical, warning, minor, and unreported alerts. Currently, there are no active alerts, which is why this list is currently blank. At the top, we have the system summary. It shows we currently have 0 active alerts. This section displays the amount of water used today if you have a flow meter installed. If you don't have one, it will always show 0. Lastly, it indicates how many devices are currently offline, so the devices that have not recently reported in. Right now, our system is in a very good standing. Everything is checking in, so we have 0 offline devices. Below the summary are 4 shortcut buttons linking to important areas within the site. The first button is Devices. Clicking this shows a complete list of all devices associated with your account. Here, you can scroll and view device names, types, temperature readings, the last reporting time, and associated properties. I have 2 properties in this account, so we can see the devices associated with each property. To view device history, simply click on a device from the list. This will open a detailed view showing the device current status. To get the history chart, for example, for temperature, just click the graph icon, the arrow here on the side. This will display a temperature graph for the selected time range. By default, the graph shows 1 week of data, but you can change the duration. For example, to view the data from the past month. You can also explore other metrics like sensor signal strength and additional available data, for example, water, depending on what the device reports. You can view this chart in full screen, and you can zoom in to view individual data points. Reset zoom. You can download this chart in CSV format as well. Now exit this view. You can easily filter the list by clicking on the column headers. For example, organizing by property. I can click this filter icon to search as well. So if I want to look for bathroom sensors, we can just type bathroom sensors in the filter and it will show me everything that is associated with the bathroom. To clear any filters, simply click on the funnel icon and clear. To adjust what information appears on the device grid, click Actions, select Columns, and choose your preferred columns. You can also rearrange columns easily by clicking and dragging. All of this is organized for you, and you will see these preferences next time you log in. You can also access grids for specific sensor types, such as water sensors or a relay grid. You can navigate back to the home scene, that initial landing page, by refreshing the browser or going to Menus and then Home. The next important feature is the Groups feature. This is where you control water valves, turning them on or off. State refers to whether the valve is open or closed. Turning a valve off closes it. I'll leave these valves on so the water stays flowing. From this page, you can also manage home and away modes for your flow meter settings. If you have multiple properties, use the drop-down menu to control valves individually for each property or unit. Now I'll close this tab and return to the home page. Moving on to reports, Here you can generate various reports for your site. Currently, 2 reports are available, but more will be added soon. To generate an alert history report, select the report type and choose your desired date range. Quick select options for daily, weekly, or monthly views. These are provided here, or you can set a custom range using the calendar by selecting a start date and an end date. Click Show Report to generate the report in a separate tab. You can select individual assets or a report for all of your assets. You can also select to see the report for all alert types, or you can select individual alerts, such as critical. Once the report is ready, it can be printed or exported as needed. Now moving on to the Home tab again. The Support button here provides quick access to our website, technical specifications, user manuals for devices, and at the bottom here we have our contact information. Reach out to us at PipeBurst Pro with any question. This concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you very much.